Alright, today I am replacing the transom in my back boat. I wish I'd have started doing more, but I have a 1964 Sears and Roebuck John boat, straight out of the catalog. I've done a little work to it. Had to patch a hole in the front, which I hopefully I patched it good. I didn't weld or braze nothing. I kind of used some high-dollar silicone glue caulk stuff. Hopefully it'll work. Now let's see. I had these pieces on my corners over here. I had to drill out all my rivets. I drilled out all the rivets all along this side, all these. Took out all my screws and all. And now I got my template that I have stuck in here. Just show y'all how I did this. I got my template that I made. Mark my center. Mark my centers right there in the middle. And I made it a little big. That way I can slowly see how I got my center marked. Well, at least the same spot where I can mark it on each piece of cardboard. So now I am drawing my template out on this, and I plan to cut it out, trace it on a piece of wood, or make sure this fits, then trace it on a piece of wood and put it in. I will let you know on my progress.